Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on iMessage on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here all the way down you have to scroll down and navigate to apps. Just tap on it. Now from here you have to navigate to the message app, or the easiest way is just go over here, tap on the search app. Now over here you can search for message. So let me search here for message. Now you can see we have message here. Tap on the messages. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down here. You can see iMessage. This is actually turn it off, so I need to turn this on. Now once you turn on the iMessage, you can right now text to someone using an iMessage. You can talk to them, and this is what you have to do. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.